All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes, and we check out great theories and concepts and discoveries that probably don't know anything about because they've been suppressed. These are ideas and concepts and discoveries that the powers that be don't want you to know anything about. And this is a feature that we have called Your Blind Side, which is for the patriots out there, the anons and the diggers who may be preoccupied with their digs and might not see the forest from the trees, see the big picture, uh, see the deeper digs, and this is to hope that they do not get blindsided by those deeper aspects. And I think one thing that will serve you um, at this point in time is to release yourself from your digs. Um, you have to acknowledge that the level of communication that's out there right now, the uh, media, information that we're receiving from the media is at such a low level and so obviously fake and stupid that it doesn't deserve your analysis anymore. I mean, you can keep talking about it till you're blue in the face about how this is a psyop, this is stupid, this isn't for us, this is not intended for us, this is to wake up the normies, and so on and so forth. Um, so the question is, why are you continuing to cover it? Uh, I know that your audience probably wants you to continue, and there may be people in your audience that could benefit from your analysis. So I'm not recommending that you just abandon everything that you've done, but I think at least privately, um, you pull back and redeploy yourself and apply your digging to something a little bit deeper, going back further and further in time. The psychological operations, as you have found, have been abundant. Everything that you thought um, was real of the things that you dug up, everything that you thought was real turned out to be a psyop, or turned out to be a hoax, turned out to be a false flag, um, turned out to be a rug pull. Well, the same is true as you go back further and further and further. Um, but most of us haven't gone back that far. And so we are in a position where we're being mingled. Those ideas are mingling with the more accurate ideas about what's going on right now. We have an accurate uh, depiction, or fairly accurate depiction, of what's going on right now, but our depiction of what happened in the distant past and our belief systems and um, values and um, practices are not up to par, up to that level, because we've still accepted a great deal of the inherited baggage that we got, which was a psyop originally, but we accepted it as children, as part of our growing up process, and we haven't scrutinized those things. Those things are what we all need to get busy with, and that's what's going to be crucial for the next phase. Now, I recognize that some of you might not think, or you might think that this is premature. Well, we got to finish this phase before we move into the next phase. Well, I I can understand where you're coming from, but I think if you look at the writings on the wall, you can see that the game's over. The deep state has really deflated, and they're flailing. They know that they've lost, and the globalists are, you know, they might try to do the scorched earth thing and to be the caged, the animal trapped in a corner and just come out with all their claws and show you who they really are. But we already know who they really are. Um, there's other people of what you call normies or seagrass, which I think is a really elitist term, that shouldn't be used. I mean, you can use it if you want. It's not like I'm trying to PC you out of it, but I think that a lot of the people that use the term are the term. If you are using that term, you probably are seagrass. Um, but whatever you want to call them, these communications are for them, and it doesn't mean that they're stupid. It doesn't mean that they're you know um, not capable of understanding this. They just have a few personality uh, disorders that match up with that don't match up very well with the current state of affairs, and so they've fallen into TDS and various other kind of us versus them type of mentality. These are people mainly who uh, aren't very athletic, aren't very competitive, and so they don't really understand winning and losing. So they've never played team sports or anything, and so um, they're sore losers and they're bad winners, and you know, um, that doesn't mean that they're stupid, and it doesn't mean that they're incapable. And I think those labels are, I, I mean, I just haven't ever seen that in my life, that uh, really meeting people who are just incapable of understanding certain things. You just have to unlock the right keys, you know, to get people to understand things. That's not easy, and I'm not saying that I'm good at it, but I have done it before, and I have unlocked things for people where other people you might if you give up on them, you'll never unlock it. So, but the main point here is that I'm urging you to release from the info war, at least in part, and dedicate yourself to red pilling yourself anew to the deeper levels of the info war. What we are going to be moving forward with in the next phase, because with the next phase, we have to implement uh, things, being in control. We have to put forward things that civilization can hang their hat on, and um, and that are appropriate for the golden age and for the age of Aquarius, or whatever you want to call it. And we don't have those things right now. We have a bunch of very, very old philosophies that are outdated and obsolete, and never were actually in harmony with the times in the first place. They were psychological operations from the start, and so they are uh, deformed already, and we need to dispose of those. My recommendation on the religion is deism. Deism is what many of the American patriots who founded this country believed in, which is the belief in one God who is good, and that God has given us the ability through our higher mental spiritual faculties to behold God's own creation directly and understand God directly thereby. And we don't need intermediaries. We don't need priests, pastors, and popes. We don't need rabbis, imams, and we do not need testaments and Qurans. We just need what we already have, and we need to go inward um, and outward, both. Both will get us there. Inward becomes outward, and but we do not need some authority figures telling us what we're supposed to believe. We all have that within us, and that is the key step that needs to be taken in this next golden age. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and we will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to watch your blind side.